Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to reset Google Chrome on your mobile device in 2025. Whether you're facing annoying crashes, slow performance, or just want to clear out accumulated data, resetting Chrome can give you a fresh start. This process is quick and straightforward, working on both Android and iOS devices, though there might be slight variations based on your phone's OS. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. If it's not on your home screen, find it in your app drawer or search for it. Once Chrome is open, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. This is your gateway to settings. In the menu, scroll down and select Settings. It's usually at the bottom, but keep an eye out for any updates in 2025 interfaces. Next, in the Settings menu, look for the Privacy and Security section or something similar. Google might tweak names slightly each year. Tap on that, and then find the option labeled Clear Browsing Data, or directly Reset Settings. For a full reset, select Reset and Clean Up, if it's available. Here, you'll see options to reset Chrome to its original state. Make sure to read the warnings. It might clear your saved passwords, history, and extensions, so back up if needed. Now, confirm your choice by tapping Reset or Clear. Depending on your device, this might take a few seconds. Once it's done, Chrome will restart automatically, and you'll be good to go. If you're on iOS, the steps are similar but might involve going through the app's settings via your phone's General Settings app. Double-check for any Apple-specific tweaks. A quick tip. After resetting, sign back into your Google account to restore bookmarks and preferences. This is especially useful in 2025 with enhanced privacy features. If you run into issues, like Chrome not responding, try restarting your phone or checking for updates in the Google Play Store or App Store. And there you have it. Your Chrome is now reset and running smoothly. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.